Dog. Dog is a common animal with 4 legs, fur, and a tail. Cat. Cat is a small animal with 4 legs that people often keep as a pet. Rabbit. Rabbit is a small animal with long ears and soft fur, that lives in a hole. Sheep. Sheep is a farm animal that is kept for its wool and its meat. Goat. Goat is an animal that has horns on top of its head and long hair under its chin, and can climb steep hills and rocks. Pig. Pig is a farm animal with short legs, a fat body, and a curved tail. Donkey. Donkey is a gray or brown animal like a horse, but smaller and with long ears. Cow. Cow is a large female animal that is kept on farms and used to produce milk or meat. Horse. Horse is a large strong animal that people ride and use for pulling heavy things. Wolf. Wolf is a wild animal that looks like a large dog and lives and hunts in groups. Fox. Fox is a wild animal like a dog with reddish-brown fur, a pointed face, and a thick tail. Deer. Deer is a large wild animal that can run very fast, eats grass, and has horns. Bear. Bear is a large strong animal with thick fur, that eats flesh, fruit, and insects. Panda. Panda is a large black and white animal that looks like a bear and lives in the mountains of China. Gorilla. Gorilla is a very large African monkey that is the largest of the apes. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee is an intelligent African animal that is like a large monkey without a tail. Monkey. Monkey is a small brown animal with a long tail, which uses its hands to climb trees and lives in hot countries. Elephant. Elephant is a very large gray animal with 4 legs, 2 long curved teeth and a long nose that it can use to pick things up. Lion. Lion is a large animal of the cat family that lives in Africa and parts of southern Asia. Tiger. Tiger is a large wild animal that has yellow and black lines on its body and is a member of the cat family. Giraffe. Giraffe is a tall African animal with a very long neck and legs and dark spots on its yellow-brown fur. Camel. Camel is a large desert animal with a long neck and either one or two large raised parts on its back. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is a large heavy African or Asian animal with thick skin and either one or two horns on its nose. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a large gray African animal with a big head and mouth that lives near water. Zebra. Zebra is an animal that looks like a horse but has black and white lines all over its body. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is an Australian animal that moves by jumping and carries its babies in a special pocket of skin on its stomach. Raccoon. Raccoon is a small North American animal with black fur around its eyes and black and gray rings on its tail. Otter. Otter is an animal with smooth brown fur that swims in rivers and eats fish. Porcupine. Porcupine is an animal with long sharp parts growing all over its back and sides. Squirrel. Squirrel is a small animal with a long furry tail that climbs trees and eats nuts. Mouse. Mouse is a small furry animal with a pointed nose and a long tail that lives in people's houses or in fields. Chicken. Chicken is a common farm bird that is kept for its meat and eggs. Rooster. Rooster is a male chicken. Turkey. Turkey is a bird that looks like a large chicken and is often eaten at Christmas and at Thanksgiving. Duck. Duck is a very common water bird with short legs and a wide beak, used for its meat, eggs, and soft feathers. Goose. Goose is a bird that is like a duck but is larger and makes loud noises. Owl. Owl is a bird with large eyes that hunts at night. Eagle. Eagle is a very large strong bird with a beak like a hook that eats small animals, birds. Pelican. Pelican is a large water bird that catches fish for food and stores them in a deep bag of skin under its beak. Bat. Bat is a small animal like a mouse with wings that flies around at night. Ostrich. Ostrich is a large African bird with long legs, that runs very quickly but cannot fly. Crane. Crane is a tall water bird with very long legs. Peacock. Peacock is a large bird, the male of which has long blue and green tail feathers that it can lift up and spread out. Parrot. Parrot is a tropical bird with a curved beak and brightly colored feathers that can be taught to copy human speech. Penguin. Penguin is a large black and white Antarctic seabird, which cannot fly but uses its wings for swimming. Seal. Seal is a large sea animal that eats fish and lives around coasts. Whale. Whale is a very large animal that lives in the sea and looks like a fish, but is actually a mammal. Killer whale. Killer whale is a black and white whale that eats meat. Dolphin. Dolphin is a very intelligent sea animal like a fish with a long gray pointed nose. Shark. Shark is a large sea fish with several rows of very sharp teeth that is considered to be dangerous to humans.